Hey, you guys. Come back over here. Come back over here. Okay, we're doing a taste test video. Sorry, I haven't made videos, but we're trying Ting. This is snacks from around the world.
Yeah, from around the world. Let me say
this is from Central America. Okay.
Which Central America? Is that even a country?
It's not a country.
Is it a state?
I don't know. I think it's in between North and South America. Okay. Ready? Okay, I'll try first.
We're supposed to go. Oh, what a
Break
big
it.
It tastes. What does it taste like, yo?
Try it. Wait, you gotta go over here. I want you to try it. Okay, try it.
What does it taste like?
It tastes good. See?
He's lying. If I feel good, I'm in for him.
What?
Oh
What
no,
you
I
said?
don't want to try it.
Try it.
Not okay.
Ready? Try it.
Hold on, I gotta get. Oh, I didn't think on.
It's weird. It's like good at first, and then it's like
sour.
orange.
It's like sour orange. The first one who can drink the longest.
Okay. So it's like sour at first
You just said
when
it.
you first drink it,
Hold on.
but and then after that it like cools off like the sourness does. Think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It's like really sour and then it
okay.
goes
Next
off.
we're gonna try pizza sticks. I think
pizza sticks.
I don't know where.
If you don't know where these come from Pizza Land. And they have pizza trees and they just grab the sticks.
I think
I'm pretty
these are
sure.
from somewhere because I can't read that. But okay, we're gonna
Neither
try.
can they. You didn't even.
Well, they might be, but okay. Ooh.
Ew. I mean,
What the heck are
ooh.
these?
Chopsticks.
The heck? Not bad actually.
It
Kinda
tastes
like
like
these.
crackers, but a little bit sweet. Oh,
What? You don't like it?
I don't like it when it gets to your throat. This is a piece of trash. I rate this a
It's not
5.
bad. I rate this 7.
Out of what? 10?
Yeah.
Okay, I rate this a 1 out of 10.
This
Even though
is
I like
a
it.
wait. I want to try these. This is from Italy.
Get out the way, I'm trying to
This
check
is
myself out.
Italian.
I want to be a cowboy.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
What the? Are you allergic to peanuts?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Mm.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yeah.
What?
Spiders. No, but I'm actually allergic to green clips.
Green what? Okay. It's like peanuts.
Ah!
And
I don't like peanuts. I give it a
We're
1.
gonna throw that away.
I give that a 1 out of 0.
Are you eating that?
No, why would I? I made it.
This kind of tastes like soft peanut butter. Like not quite peanut butter, but
Good night to you, sir.
I kind of like this stuff. It's actually good after you try some. It just tastes like a little bit of peanut butter. I can see how this would be a snack for like hiking. Okay, now we're gonna try an energy bar.
But this stuff's good, but we're saving the best for last.
Okay, this is an
They
energy
can't even
bar.
read. They can't read the stuff. I don't know why he said, I don't know where this is from, and he put it really close to the camera when they're reading it all backwards.
This is from Switzerland.
Switzerland. That's guys, it's from Switzerland. They can't read this either.
Can you open this?
Yeah, they used to call me tough boy.
These look absolutely gross. Like fucking like 0. Can we rate something 0?
Yeah, I rated something 0.
Look, it's like, okay, those things are good where there's like chocolate on the
they
outside and
do
stuff
look
in the
gross.
inside. But look what's in there. There's oranges above it. Like
This stuff looks good.
It's an energy bar. It's not gonna be good. I'm just kidding. Yeah. This stuff actually does kind of look good.
Oh, but it looks gross at the same.
Just break
What is that?
I don't know.
It's like white chocolate. It's that white Hershey. Is it good?
One second.
I don't know. I haven't tasted it yet.
It literally only tastes like chocolate. Try it.
It tastes like milk chocolate.
Come over here so you can see them. That's not good. I don't like it. I don't like chocolate.
Guys, it's our birthdays.
Yeah, that's why I haven't been posting.
No, you're just lazy. That's why. I'm gonna dip my thing in here.
Ginger coconut candy? Ew.
Ew! Grody. Grody.
Looks like fucking puke.
I'm gonna try Kiki. See Kiki? You can't see it, but if you had backwards siding, then you'd see it. Holy moly. They could be stacked on days. They can't even read it.
I know.
It's from Badapan.
This stuff is from, wait.
Kiki is from Japan. Yeah, Japan.
Do you want to try this stuff next? Wait, I want to try that.
Okay.
I don't even know what this stuff is. Kiki?
Oh, I have strawberry. I hate strawberry. I don't like strawberry.
So let's try this.
This looks like a ripoff of Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Oh, Starburst. What are they called again?
Starburst.
Yeah, Starburst. See, don't they look like a ripoff?
Can I see your garbage?
No. Yeah, here. In the garbage. Your garbage.
I really like those. Should I go get a water for both of us? Yeah.
Hey guys, so today I'm pranking him. Yeah. Oh, and this drink, it's from United States. It's called water.
Purified water?
No, it's called water.
No, it's called purified drinking water.
No, that's just like... Oh, my gum.
I want to try this.
You still got your gum?
No.
My gum's hard.
I want to try this. Okay, guys, we're going to try this. Let me read where it's from. Where the fuck is this thing from? Okay, I don't know where this is from, but we're gonna eat it. Okay. Ooh! This is actually gonna be something good.
I don't like it.
I'm almost done with this. I love this stuff. Okay, Calvin. This is actually gonna be our first good one.
Oh, that looks gross.
No, it's like chocolate in the middle and then a graham cracker.
Oh, you got it. Oh!
Yeah, I see you don't like it.
See, the graham cracker tastes gross. Wasteful side. Look like a baby trying to eating a lemon. We gotta
What the
try.
fuck is this stuff in the middle? Shit. Really tastes
Miss
like
Priya, I don't cuss. Just this one.
Here, watch it.
You gotta put beep over it.
Oh, I bet my thing. I bet my. I'm gonna have my dad try this. My what?
I said, I bet your teacher will say, you were cussing. Psst, psst, psst. Have you ever cussed? This is your first time cussing. Oh yeah, guys, if you don't know why But I broke my arm the other day and I got my cast taken off. You look at it at the side, it looks like my knee. Ready? Hold on. We should film a skit where you break my arm.
Holy crap! She really scarred you up.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I was playing basketball.
Wait, don't say her name. We'll get in trouble with YouTube.
I was playing basketball and someone scratched me up. Her name was okay.
Well, everyone's gonna know. Okay.
I just said it was a boy, by the way, not a girl.
Yo.
This is a girl stuff.
Oh yeah, by the way, we rated that last one 0.
Yeah. Here's you can see lemon. Is it good? Ew, you can chew with your mouth.
I don't know what it tastes like.
Oh.
You didn't even get the middle yet.
It tastes like chocolate, but like nothing else. It tastes like a little tiny
It tastes like chocolate and orange.
It tastes like chocolate and honey.
Except if it was with honey, it would be way better. This is with oranges.
Ow.
Like, ew. Jade or... This stuff actually... I think it's a chocolate waffle little thingy. Looks good. Okay, wait, come in the camera. Yeah. I just kidding.
So, if you're wondering where I am, my friend said, go in the camera. So I'm going to go in the camera.
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Okay, try this.
Priya, I'm a great teacher. Miss Priya, if you're listening, remember that time when I was showing you, when I was acting like I was walking down the stairs and not going down the elevator and the escalator? And I said, wait, what's her name again? I was about to say like Piper, what's another girl with a P? Like I was saying other names, like I actually didn't know your name for a second. Because I was thinking of a girl. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. I'm dating.
Who? Just kidding.
Sorry ladies, I'm off limit. I haven't even tried it.
It's good.
That chocolate is too much chocolate.
I like it.
And the biggest candy bar of all, this is just one full candy bar. We're not going to show you the front. Ah, don't show them that part.
Why?
Because we want to make it look like we got the biggest candy bar.
It's good, but it's too sweet.
I'm a girl.
I rate that 8.5.
I rate this a 2. Oh, I'm so in love with
You're gonna get slapped. Just kidding.
I rate this in 8.
Guys, this is gonna be gross.
Guys, that's gonna be gross.
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 Ew! What the fuck's in here?
And Miss Priya.
Wait, oh shit, I keep passing.
Oh.
Wait, that smells really good, but it... What the heck? There's like a banana in here covered with chocolate. What the? Look at this thing. Watch this, watch this. You can... Oh shit.
Wait.
You can literally smush it.
Hold on. Okay, guys, we're back. I went downstairs and I picked my litter box, and this is what I found. Oh wait, a turd.
What's
My
covered
cat.
with banana?
That looks
Okay.
like pee-pee that went in someone's butt,
What the?
and it was poopy.
What the
It looks like a PB.
fuck? Wait, I want to try. What the hell? Look, if you push it.
Does it go down?
Yeah.
I don't like it. Hold on, I'm gonna try one bite.
It's like really sweet.
I'm gonna try one bite. Say, oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, you killed Kenny.
No,
You
don't say
bastard.
But Dad, no buts, except the one that's gonna slap.
Don't you say it. Don't you say it. Child's mom is a... Hey! Don't you say it, Carmen. Okay, fine, I won't say it. Walks off.
This guy walks off.
Wax off.
Is that part of this episode?
Carmen is a big fat bitch. Wait, I don't remember.
Getting down with the big fat bitch with the big bitch in a whole rather. Never want to big in a big in a big bitch in a whole
Ooh, Kellen, do you want to try these or do you want to get this over one? This one over with.
Man, honestly, I just want to crash on your couch.
Okay.
Man, honestly, I just want to crash.
Try that.
Hey, come here. I gotta tell you a secret.
Ooh. Okay.
Did you guys ever finish your thing? You guys didn't even start on your chopper?
Tastes like coconut. Like just coconut. You didn't even try it.
I'm allergic to coconut.
Bullshit.
Okay, no, but I hate coconut.
Just try it.
I hate everything.
Never mind, I'll give this to my dad.
I'm scared of everything. And that's why they call me number turkey.
I would rate this.
Oh, here's my hidden talent. Ready? What's your
Probably.
hidden? We should make a video called Hidden Talent. What's your hidden talent? My hidden. Well, this ain't really a talent. This ain't really a talent. Well, kind of.
I'd rate it 7.
But you can train yourself to do this.
6.
Go like. It's coming for you. Get over here.
What,
He
like
can't. He
this?
can't do it. He can't do it. Look at that. He's.
What are we doing? We're just staring in the camera for a minute, just making our eyebrows.
I'm just going. Wait. Do it again. Ready?
Do it again. Okay. Yo, gross. What the?
Hold on. Guys, today I'm doing a prank on Reese. You might like the prank. I got this. Oh, I got this water bottle. Hold on.
John, can you open this? It's your funeral.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude.
John, do you want to try this? It's called
Yeah,
the
dude.
coconut candy.
Coconut.
I'm going to save a couple of these. Okay, John, what one do you want to try tonight? This one or this one?
I don't know. I don't want to try.
Okay, we'll try this one.
If you're wondering why my lips are red, is I was born with a disease. Additional.
Ew. I wanted one of those Cheeto things.
How to make your hair look sexy. Step 1, it wants to be like this. Step 2. Oh, that guy's sexy.
Ooh, these are good.
Ah,
Wait, why the hell is there salt in it?
I don't want it if there's salt.
We'll just pick it off.
And that's how you look good.
Okay.
Holy crap, it's a cricket. It's a cricket. You can wear my sweatshirt. I got a big old forehead.
It's like coffee. Like not quite coffee. But it's like a graham cracker. A coffee graham cracker.
I don't like coffee.
No, not coffee. I meant chocolate, not coffee.
Oh, I bit my tongue.
I thought you didn't like it.
I actually kind of like it. It tastes like plastic.
I'm gonna have this coffee.
It was a hunter's.
Okay, guys, this is a coffee candy.
Sorry, girl, I'm off limits. You hear that? Did you hear that?
That was my dad. Thank you for watching.
Oh yeah, we forgot one more drink. I mean food thing.
What?
Okay, pause the video. Pause the video.
We're not doing those. Okay, bye.
Pause the video.